To check the security status of your Windows 10 computer, take the pointer down to the search box down the bottom, click into it and type in security. Normally typing the first few letters in will be enough to bring up the Windows Security app in the menu. Put the pointer onto Windows Security and left click once onto it. And here we can see that all the sections are ticked in green, which means everything is active. So virus and threat protection is being controlled by Windows 10 Security. And one of the main things to look for is to make sure your firewall is switched on. The firewall controls traffic, acts as a filter between your computer and the public internet. It's important that this is switched on. Another quick way to check the security status of your Windows 10 computer is to take the pointer down to here, the system tray, left click once onto it, and you're looking for this Windows symbol here. If we put the pointer onto it, it says Windows Security Actions Needed, and we've got the red cross on there which tells us that there's something wrong. Left click once onto the icon, it will open up your Windows Security app. Here we can see that there's a cross over the firewall and network protection section. Everything else is ticked in green, which is fine, but we need to turn the firewall on. So left click on to turn firewall on. It's essential that you have the firewall switched on, so click on yes. And now we can see that the firewall is switched on.